The Funn Mamba MTB Clipless pedals combine a broad, grippy platform with a single-sided clip interface, giving mountain, gravel, and BMX riders confidence on rough trails and bike park lines. Their Shimano SPD-compatible mechanism clips in with a firm, predictable feel, making it easy to engage quickly and stay securely connected when the terrain gets chaotic. The large machined alloy body offers excellent foot support and stability, which is especially reassuring for riders who are still getting used to clipless pedals or who ride very technical terrain. Funn's grease renewal system lets you refresh the internal lubrication in well under 1 minute without disassembling the pedals, so long-term maintenance is unusually quick and clean. A hardened chromoly steel axle with sealed bearings and bushings keeps the spin smooth and resists play or creaking even after many wet and muddy rides. The bright orange anodized finish and precise machining give the pedals a premium look that also makes your bike easier to spot on crowded racks or at trailheads.